MRX Systems unveiled Blue MRO with the ambition to complete the Blue Eye suite by offering a fully integrated platform that would allow airworthiness managers, or operators, and MRO to share a live environment where all data would be linked in a seamless manner. However, as some clients only provide airworthiness management and operation services, or MRO services, they may only have the need for one module of the suite. We understood this challenge and saw it as an opportunity to create an ecosystem of users. In line with this, MRX Systems proudly presents its latest feature, MRO Request Generation on a third-party database. This feature enables you to generate a quotation on the MRO Center's database with one click based on the maintenance order created from the operator's database. This time-saving innovation is beneficial for both operators and MRO centers. The MRO can turn the automatically generated quotation into a work order. And the operators will see the up-to-date work progress and receive the full work report as soon as it is generated. As an MRO center, you will be more likely to be chosen by an operator using Blue Eye. This creates opportunities to acquire more customers. MRX Systems proposes an address book of MRO centers to the operators with whom they work, to match their needs and put them in contact. How does it work? You only need to contact the support team to create a link between the two databases. Then, the procedure is as simple as it has ever been. The operators create the maintenance order and select the address book entity associated with the third-party database when they pick the addressee. Once the maintenance order is ready, they click on Generate MRO Request to create the quotation on the MRO Center's database. The MRO Center refreshes the data in the Quotations module and the quotation appears with all the job cards, parts, and tools required. As soon as a task is set as performed on the MRO side, this information will be available on the Blue Eye side. The work status is continuously updated, and once the work report is generated, it is forwarded to the Related Files section of the Blue Eye purchase order. More information? The MRX Systems team will be delighted to give you a demonstration. You can contact them anytime via the following email address: contact@mrxsys.com.